Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. Nothing special. I'm gonna go see what's going on, bros. How y'all doing? Sorry, I haven't been uploading. Been busy. I'll take you guys with me to my job today. You guys see what I do, see what I get into. Yeah. So see you in a little bit. Alright guys, I'm currently about to go put some gas. Then head to work. Check out how this drives. Oh shit. I mean, snap. Put some gaseando. The hoopty. Oh my gosh. Alright, I made it to work. I work 6 rental car. This is Primo's Fleet Services. These are my guys. What have we chose? Hey. So we're gonna get the day started. I'll show you some thingy-majiggies. So those are all the dirty cars. I'm responsible to watch it. It's my friend Robert. Let me get him, see what he got. They're on the blog, motherfucker. It's 297. Oh man, it's too hot.
Too early for that. Too high.
I always say low. It's too cold.
Too.
I don't know, y'all. Is he a zombie?
Nah, I'm not fucking zombie.
Alright, Roberta. In case you ain't heard it. This is every 2 weeks. So now me and Eric, I watch these buses. That's a dirty line. It's a lot of work. But you know, somebody got to do it. Somebody got to do dirty work. So, gonna get to it. We're gonna jump on this bus, get these cleaned up. I know all this is boring to y'all, but I don't know what else. Robert! Got the Roberta! Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Roberta. You got the serious one all the time. You'll be alright. Always serious and mad. You gotta watch the bus. Oh shit. Alright. Oh, I was not in reverse. I was in neutral. Come on, guys. I don't want to hit the beamer. Hit the beamer. We got egg, yay! So yeah, they're gonna pull in some cars, clean them while we jump on the buses. And you know, this is what me and Eric do. Primo's Fleet Services. I'm waiting for the other guy now. You know what I'm saying? Basically what we do all day, every day, 7 days a week. We still gotta transport too. So I might transport today out to bring you guys along. I'm gonna see how that goes. So yeah, get right back. Eric, yeah, we'll wash it. The life of Primos. You get yourself into shit like this. Alright guys, I didn't film an outro, but you know, that's what we do. We wash the buses, we wash the cars, and yeah, just stay tuned for the next video. Hopefully, you know, you guys comment, see what you guys want to see. And you guys want to watch us do, you want to see something crazy, we'll do it. So, comment, like, subscribe.
I ain't been riding the wave, cause bitch, I've been making it.